Hey guys, Mikkelcraft here, and today I'm back with another video. And today I have this here fidget spinner, and it's really fun to play with. I'm gonna be doing some cool tricks with it. So the first thing that you should know how to do is that. That's like the easiest thing that you can do with a fidget spinner.
So half of that's done now.
Oh crap. Oh yeah, these are right in, but it's torn. You guys can't read it yet. So, could you see that? Good, I don't want you to. Oh crap. Hang on. Okay, so, got it again. Keep
Yeah,
going.
we'll probably need you on Saturday. Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Spin as fast as I can. So yeah, this thing is really awesome. I'm gonna do it first with my eye, but first, let's do it again for my hair and see if my hair is tangled up. Oh, this moves it. Ow! Give me in the head. So, another thing you can do with this is, hang on, let me get it right here. Angle. Or design though. What? So yeah. Alright, I got the fidget spinner. So, what you're gonna wanna do is put the finger pads here, get the fidget spinner, and blow on this part. Then blow on this part. Then we're gonna blow in the middle and around it. Put that one back on. Same thing with this one. Put it on there, spin it. It might make that noise, but when you spin it like that, it's silent. So yeah, guys. If you don't have one of these, make sure to go pick one up. You can get them at 7-Eleven, Save-A-Lot, Walmart, Target, eBay. You can get them online. fidgetspinner.com. Yeah, these things are pretty cool, so you might just want to go check one out, maybe buy one. And yeah. So, what will we craft next? I don't know. Let's find out. Peace.